Welcome to MMCYBERCONET, where you get updates on JAMB, WAEC, NECO, all school post UTME, and all school admission form registration. On today's video, I want to show you how to navigate through your JAMB CAPS and to also see to it that your O-level result has been successfully uploaded. Because without your O-level in your JAMB CAPS, automatically there is no admission for you. That one is certain. So without further ado, let's log into your JAMB CAPS so that you see if your O-level result has been successfully uploaded. Alright, click on your Chrome, and then if you click on your Chrome, you type JAMB. I already have this address here. As you can see, this is the JAMB official address. This is your JAMB official address, efacility.jamb.gov.ng/login. So once you click on it, then this will pop up. This box will pop up, and then you put your JAMB register email address and also your password. So you type in your JAMB registered email and your password. If you can't find your password, you check your email address. Your password is there. So you put in your email, you click on login. Once you click on login, your portal will now open, where you see my profile, registration, part-time, and all of these options. And then in my next videos, I will come down to explain all of these. But today we are going to see that if our O-level result has been successfully uploaded. So what you need to do, you click on check admission status. Then you click on check admission status. It's loading, and you click on access my CAPS. You click on access my CAPS, then it will take you to another phase where you will see my profile, my choice of institutions, my O-level, and the rest of the options. Remember, we are going to check if our O-level has been successfully uploaded. Then you click on these options, my O-level. Right, you click on it. It's loading. Boom. So if you click on it and it shows this, it simply means that your O-level result has been successfully uploaded. And the next thing you have to do is to cross-check the subjects. So cross-check all the subjects that is here. If it's the same thing on your original certificate, and also the grades, make sure you check them one after the other. Then after checking it, then you are good to go. That means you have passed the first criteria, and then the next thing is to make sure that if your school conduct post UTME exams or not, for you to wait for admission. And if peradventure and you open to your dashboard and you could not find your O-level result, you click on these options, refresh. But if you click on refresh, it's not still show. That simply means that you've not uploaded your results. Then you need to visit any CBT center that is close to you to do that as fast as possible. So that is how to locate your O-level result right in your JAMB CAPS. So in my next video, I will show you how to check if you have been given admission or not. Stay tuned. This MMCYBERCONET. If you have not followed, kindly follow up for the next update. Thank you.